Hello dear kids. Today we will learn about our lovely pets and farm animals. They give us milk, help us in the fields, and are also our good friends. Every animal teaches us something and keeps us happy. So, let's begin this fun journey.
1. This is a cow.
The cow gives
2.
us milk
This
and
is a
loves to stay in
buffalo.
green fields. The buffalo
3.
is a strong
This is a
animal
goat.
that gives us rich and creamy milk.
4.
The goat
This
gives
is
us
a
milk
sheep.
and enjoys jumping around playfully. The
5.
sheep provides
This
us
is a
with soft
horse.
wool for making clothes. The horse runs very fast and is used for riding and pulling carts.
6. This is a donkey.
The donkey patiently carries heavy loads for people.
7. This is a mule.
The mule is a very strong animal used for carrying loads in hilly areas.
8. This is a camel.
The camel is called the ship of the desert because it can live without water for many days.
9. This is a dog.
The dog is a loyal friend who guards our home and loves us.
10. This is a cat.
The cat loves to drink milk and keeps the house safe from mice.
11. This is a rabbit.
The rabbit runs fast, has long ears, and loves to eat carrots.
12. This is a peacock.
Peacocks open their tails like a fan. The male peacock has the brightest feathers.
13. This is a hen.
The hen gives us eggs and scratches the ground for food.
14. This is a rooster.
The rooster crows loudly every morning to wake us up.
15. This is a duck.
The duck swims happily in the water and lays eggs.
16. This is a goose.
The goose lays big eggs and makes a honking sound.
17. This is a turkey.
The turkey is a large bird with colorful feathers.
18. This is a pigeon.
The pigeon flies high in the sky and always finds its home.
19. This is a parrot.
The parrot is a smart bird that can talk and copy our words.
20. This is a canary.
The canary is a small yellow bird that sings sweet songs. The guinea pig is a
21.
cute little pet
This
that
is a
loves
guinea
to
pig.
eat vegetables. The yak lives in cold mountains and gives us milk and wool.
22. This is a yak. 23.
The llama
This is
carries
a
heavy
llama.
loads and also gives us wool.
24. This is an alpaca. 25. This is an ox.
The ox helps farmers. The alpaca is raised for its very soft wool.
26.
The pony is a small horse that
This is a
children
pony.
love to ride.
27. This is a goldfish.
The goldfish is
28.
a pretty
This
pet
is
that
a
lives in
lovebird.
aquariums. The
29.
lovebird is a small
This is a
parrot that loves
silkworm.
to stay in pairs. The silkworm
30.
makes silk
This is
threads
a
used
bee.
for making clothes. The bee works hard to make honey and wax.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.